This is an overview of Pearltree. If you log in, the first thing you'll see is your root Pearltree. So you can see mine here in the center of the screen. If you look at the links that go off of it, these are pearls. You can see I have 6 pearls linked off of my root Pearltree. I'm going to click on one of them, and I'm going to click on Special Education Links, and it will load and show you what the pearls under that pearl is. So you can see that I have 3 pearls under this pearl, and they actually have pearls under them as well. You can see that under the Pearl for Down Syndrome I have 2 different websites. To the left of the screen you can see a preview of each website so that you can see if it's the correct website you're looking for or if you need to look at a different one. If you click the arrow, it'll take you back step by step to the root Pearltree. So if you're looking at this, you can add pearls, and whichever one is black around the outside is where you're going to add each pearl, or add the pearl that you click to add. So if I click on my center pearl and click to add a pearl, I can add a Pearltree, which I'll add now as a test. And you can see that it appears here. And as it appears, it will show me that it's an empty Pearltree. If I'd like to add another pearl to it, I will click on it, click Add a Pearl, and this time I'd like to add a web page, and since it's just a test, I'm going to add yahoo.com. And click Add a Pearl. And if I hover over it, I can now see the preview of the page and see that it's added to the pearl. If I go back out to my main Pearltree, I can hover over the triangles to move it down. If my Pearltree was a little bigger, you'd be able to see more of it. If I would like to share my Pearltree, I can click to have it emailed. You can see I can add an email address and it'll send the email to that person. I can also share it through my Facebook account, my Twitter account, or my Google Plus account. I can also hyperlink to it or embed it as well. If I click on Related Interests, Pearltree will show me different pearls that are related to what I already have. So since I have special education links, it will give me related interests like inclusion, RTI. I clicked on inclusion, and it'll show me the Pearltree of other people. And you can see what they already have. So it's a really good way to find different sites for things that you're already looking at. If I go back and click on the home, it'll take me back to my Pearltree, and I can add pearls from there. I can also look at settings, change my password, invite people to look at my Pearltree, or log out. They also have a help section, and you can see your Pearltree in a list form. This is was just a little bit about pearl trees. I learned a lot of what I already know from just experimenting with what was here, and I really enjoy it, and I hope that you do too.